Two of our young sulphur crested cockatoo visitors enjoying afternoon tea. They love their corn. I can hear a pied. I'm going to turn around. Don't know if I've got pieds on video yet, but these are pied butcherbirds. Well, this is one pied butcherbird. That's no good with the light. Let's try this. That's a lot better. We have a family of 5 of these guys. Somewhere. I'd say this is Piper. This is the young fellow we had beginning of last year. If you were to go to my Wildlife in the Rain Facebook page, you'd see photos of this guy, and we called him Pied Piper. And he's a pied butcherbird. Got a special mix for him. Okay, let's go back to the cockies. They've finished. No, he's dropped his corn. Here we go. You finished your corn, sunshine? Yeah. These guys know what they want. These guys will stay with us for a couple of months, and when the next lot of young ones come, parents will push these guys off and virtually tell them to go and find their own territory. The only ones we encourage, if you call it that, are the parents. It's like a safe place, our place. They've been coming, Mr. and Mrs. Cocky have been coming for about 12 years, and each year they come with some of the youngsters, like these two. And there are times when they've come with 5 or 6 youngsters from one season, breeding season. But what always happens is the youngsters, I guess you could say, learn to be independent here. We feed them a bit. Then after a while they'll take off and we'll never see them again. The next thing you know is Mr. and Mrs. Cocky will come with the next lot of youngsters. But the seasons have been all upside down this year with the weather. It's still winter, it's 24, 25 today at our place. There's actually 4 or 5 youngsters, but lately only 2 or 3 have been coming, which is already telling us that the other 2 have been moved on. There's a colony of cockies down the road from us near the river, and no doubt that's where Mr. and Mrs. Cocky hang out. Is that little long bill? Is that Wesley? Okay.